This is video number 24 from the Personomial series. Disadvantages. Mooring fees, if you need to stay in one place, can be high. There are licenses to be bought. Expenses include fuel, maintenance, marina fees, club or canal mooring fees, insurance policies, taking the boat out of the water every 2 or 3 years for blacking, treating the bottom of the boat, engine maintenance, pump maintenance, and more. The weather tends to cast a shadow over the joys of waterway travelling. You need to carry some form of transport to get to the nearest shops, a bicycle or small manageable motorbike. Postal issues have to be addressed, as does clear reception for all the gadgets we surround ourselves with nowadays, namely internet, satellite, Wi-Fi and GPS. Unless, or even if you travel together with other narrowboat owners, security will always be an issue that needs to be addressed. If you have children and are not homeschooling, they will need to have a static base from which to travel to school. In this case, a paid, fixed mooring, which does rather defeat, to some extent at least, the idea of freedom to travel. Be prepared for dirt. If you're a clean freak, then perhaps boating is not for you. Living on a cruise ship permanently. Imagine for a moment that you wake up, stretch your arms and wander across the warm shag pile carpet to the floor-to-ceiling glass windows and marvel at the views outside. Another port looms into view. Is it Barcelona, Vancouver or Miami? In which restaurant will you have breakfast? What will your host have to offer you for your daily activities today? When will you move to an exciting new ship for the next cruise?